bait in the bin?
That's right.
You got some bait?
Look at all them bait. John, I think I did a little bit better than you.
Really?
Yeah, if you something splashing and you keep it close, it's definitely gonna splash on your thing. One just jumped out here grabbing him, John. Well, welcome to this Chew on This vlog. You know, a lot of you guys may not realize this, but I used to be a high school teacher. That's right, I have my own class. I taught from 9th through 12th grade, coached wrestling, coached football, and today's vlog is much like how it used to be in the classroom. Although it's kind of like on free time. I mean, I'm watching over them, but they're supposed to be doing work. And if you watch the guys, we got John, we got Josh, Blacktiph H, and we've got Matt. And these guys are doing kind of what the classroom's gonna do when you're not watching over their backs. It's pretty entertaining. I hope you enjoy it, because we had some fun, and it's a little bit unique this time. Well, enjoy this, and be sure, leave comments below. Hit that like button. We really appreciate it when you do. And if you are getting the notifications, please just put Captain, I'm receiving the notifications. Yeah, I would appreciate it a lot, because we have 115,000 subscribers. In each video that we put out, we're only getting like 3 or 4 people saying they're getting the notifications. So if you're getting the notifications, just put below, hey Captain, I received the notification. I appreciate it a lot. Thanks a lot and enjoy.
So how much of a lure on one? Good one, dude. Nice one, Johnny boy. Oh, he's on the pinboard. I got it. I like it. Those monsters cool, man. Yeah, I love them. Now imagine being in the water. Oh my God. You didn't feel like it's nice, John, nice. Good jack. Woo-hoo. Put it over here. Beautiful.
There we go.
Come on.
You got another puffer on, Josh? You can make a real good video out of the puffer fish. Trust me, I know. What you think it is? Ooh.
That sounds great.
Shouldn't come this way.
It was over here.
Yeah. Ooh, that's on you. That's on you. You got him?
Got him.
Yo, there we go. John's got one.
Oh, man. Dude, that was world-class fishing here.
That's right. 2 bites already. Where you want me to go, Matt?
I think we're good.
Okay.
Stick around these pelicans.
Something big just blew up right here.
Oh, look. The old Palm Beach Inlet used to cut through here 100 years ago. So there's a hole.
Yeah, where it comes underneath the thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this the old Palm Beach Inlet?
Someone told me that.
You know what I looked at this actually.
That's our record. Yep.
Did you really? Were they cooperative with you? Almost like they kind of know?
Hey, Ben, you should film a pelican show, bro.
Yeah. That's exactly.
I got you, Ben.
Woo!
For the fish?
Well,
Oh, houndfish. Trying to get away from
Houndfish where? Oh my gosh. Hey, why is it over there?
right there.
Guys,
Oh, there we go. Get him, John boy.
Nice, John hooked up. And we got lightning. What do you got there, John?
I'm not sure. Maybe a jack?
I think he's got a jack. I like jacks.
Nice jack.
Ooh.
Good work. Nice, nice, dude. Beautiful. Get him in, John. Get him in.
Oh, there's something chasing him.
Oh my gosh, bring on the boat guy.
What happened?
Right behind the boat.
Look at that shark after him.
There's a shark? Here, he's right there. Got a shark.
Pull it up.
He's right after him though. Yeah.
Where's the shark?
He was right behind him
What
twice.
kind of shark?
There he is, he's on him.
That's a jack, dude.
I got a jack.
There's another jack following him. You sure? 1,000.
Nope, 2,000%.
It's a jack. I just saw it.
It's a shark.
Shark jack. Pull that jack up.
I'm gonna pull him up. Hey. I got light lines today.
Might see not getting yet. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. He's talking to you.
You gonna keep him or let him go?
Let him go.
Let's let him go. So he can get 40 pounds. Oh my gosh, I'm sticking the rod there. John has volunteered to join the Google Squad.
He's a bass fisherman. That's what they do.
Oh,
That's why I caught this with it. Nobody.
where's my rod going? Hey, Ben, you stole my rod. Yeah. By the way, that was a hell of a shark. That was darn good. I've never seen sharks like that before. Especially that color.
That was a yellow shark. Ooh, ooh, got it. Ah.
Are you ready?
Ooh. No comeback, John? He just did a Smurfette impression. This area.
See that, John? That's called a fish on the hook. That's how it's done, people. Oh, you're a hero. You're a bass fisher. You're one of those guys, okay? Dude, we need to get over there. Here, back too. Hey, dude, it's all about that front. Hey, we need to go over there with a big little thing.
No, we don't.
There's a hole over
No,
there.
I know. No, we don't.
What's wrong with you?
Because I know there's big snook here, and I've already seen these fish going crazy here.
Have you seen these?
Oh man. Uh-oh. Blow up. Look at them blow up. Oh. Oh. I dig it. Now when he pulls it up, Josh, you got to watch out for the fish putting water on your lens. You got to move back.
Yeah, I just had to clean it.
Yep.
All right, there we go, guys. Jack for ball. Oh no, people on the little bent boat.
No.
See you guys, man. I'm gonna put a lure on, dude. Alright guys, you know what I'm gonna try right now?
Oh, that's some cool
I got
stuff, man.
it! Come on with it, baby. Did you see that?
I like your sneaking up approach.
Backhanded, baby. Now, don't get me something. That one. Killer, baby.
Just don't catch someone off, John.
All I know is I caught a mullet with a hand there.
I caught a mullet with my arm. You just crossed my line.
Hey. We'll see who they like better.
You just crossed my line.
You okay? Don't really. Something was chasing me.
Since I didn't catch any, Jack's only worth a point.
Oh, that's right. It's only worth.
Snook's worth 5.
Yeah, we want a big snook.
Here they come, guys. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, 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 guys. Look, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's mullet everywhere. Jack's everywhere.
Oh, man, right at the boat.
Look at that. Is one rod, one reel on the boat? Because it sounded like him. I think I heard. Ooh. John, look up. Oh, Josh hates it. Josh hates it. He was talking smack. He lost his fish.
I didn't lose my fish.
And now John has him on.
It's a backhanded there. He's casting 1 foot away. You guys are not the ocean. We're here fishing Jack on the lagoon. We're having a blast. These fish are actually eating. I like this buffalo tarpon. I'm gonna try to get that clean thing down. It's light enough to steal my fish. What do you got there, John?
Jack, sir.
You all jacked up?
Got jacked up, baby.
He's got match gas.
Oh, that just. In there. Hey, I want you to put the challenge up to your good squad now.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was some fun stuff, you know, seeing those guys fish on their own side by side. There's all kind of different personalities on the boat. And although they all get along, they're like brothers. They like to fight and argue, and you cross my line, and you cross my line, and I can catch more fish than you. So I hope you enjoyed that, because I thought it was kind of funny. It's neat seeing how people get along on the boat or don't get along and then get along. I hope you enjoyed this chew on this vlog. Godspeed, and we'll see you guys next episode, which is tomorrow night at 7:30 p.m. Be sure to check back 7:30 p.m. and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so you get the notifications. Thank you very much.